What's the meaning of awoke? Awoke. Awoke.
Awoke. Awoke. The word awoke is the past tense of the verb awake, which means to stop sleeping and become conscious. When someone awakes, they transition from a state of unconsciousness, usually associated with sleep, to a state of awareness. This can happen naturally or due to external factors such as loud noises or rough movements. Once someone is awake, they are able to perceive their surroundings and engage in activities that require consciousness. Overall, awoke refers to the action of becoming conscious after sleep.